Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable DocuSign AI to draft contract summaries. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your DocuSign account and log in. Navigate to the home screen of your account dashboard. Locate the Templates option on the menu. Click on Templates to view your existing templates or create a new one. Select Create Template if you need to set up a new template. Fill in the required fields, including the name and description of your template. Next, you'll need to upload the contract document you want to summarize. Click on the Upload button and select the file from your device. Once your document is uploaded, look for the AI Features section in the settings. Enable the AI Contract Summary option by toggling the switch. You may need to provide permission for AI features to access your documents. Review the summary settings to customize the output format as needed. Now, click Save to apply your settings. Return to your template list and select the template you just created. Click on Send to initiate the contract summary drafting process. DocuSign will now generate a draft summary of your contract. Review the AI-generated summary for accuracy and completeness. Make any manual adjustments if necessary. Once satisfied, you can finalize the summary for your use. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled DocuSign AI for drafting contract summaries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.